Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Freshsales to Slack, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Freshsales account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the integrations option and click on it. You will see a list of available integrations. Locate the Slack integration option and select it. Next, you will be prompted to connect your Slack account. Click on the Connect button. This action will redirect you to the Slack authentication page. Log into your Slack account if you're not already logged in. You will need to authorize Freshsales to access your Slack workspace. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to Freshsales. Here, you will see a confirmation that your Slack account is connected. Now, customize your Slack integration settings according to your needs. You can choose which notifications you want to receive in Slack. Select the appropriate channels where you want these notifications to be sent. Make sure to save your settings after customizing. To test the integration, create a sample task in Freshsales. If everything is set correctly, you should receive a notification in the designated Slack channel. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Freshsales to Slack. Now you can streamline your communication and stay updated on your sales activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.